I would like to share food for thoughts. Why we need to be called Zeliangrong? We don't have choice. We have our same origin, ancestral history, our cultural heritage. So now, how do we go from here? We need to accept our differences. And that differences cannot be our weakness. We should reconcile, we should respect each other's views, and we should work for the common good of our Zeliangrong people. Whatever the constitution guaranteed us, if we are not able to speak out, how will we live as a society? The purpose of living as a society is not to eat, drink, and sleep and go back and die. It's not for that. During pandemic, we have learned a very hard lesson that we should live together as a community. We learned from this COVID-19 that we need to live together as one community. Now we forgot all those things and we started talking about all petty politics, like I don't know, but I will learn on these issues, especially our communities from Manipur. Said about we are too serious when nobody take us seriously. We think ourselves too serious. We want ourselves to make it so important that we forgot, or we tend to forget that what other people think of us. So nobody is taking us seriously, my dear brothers and sisters. We need to rise. We need to speak out. Nobody is going to come and speak for us. Nobody taught Haipou, Jadonang and Haipei Rani to struggle against the British or the oppressors. And I am very thrilled to see lots of professors coming here and attending our facility. The histories written by our oppressors cannot be studied continuously from generation to generation. Please find out the real research fact and about our struggle, about our communities, about our leaders, so that the future generation doesn't suffer from all those misinformation and misinterpretation of history. I hope our intellectuals, our all research scholars, they all will be working on it. If I can be part of that project, I'll be very happy to contribute and energy, whatever I can, time, so that we at least show to our future generation that this is real thing, this is happening. After our historian, Professor Gangmei did on our community leaders and all these research, nobody has done so far yet. So please work on it with that perspective. But if you want to have meaningful contribution according to our capabilities, we should always take our community issues in a right perspective. Nobody is going to come and speak for us. Nobody is going to stand for us. It is our homework. It is our duty that our common future lies in the Zeliangrong itself, not in federating tribes of our Jadonang, we call it Zeme Liangmei Rongmei or Rongmei. They can continue their student union, they can continue their, we call it in Rongmei Chuksu Galomei, that we took a pledge, our forefathers took a pledge in Zeliangrong headquarters, 1934, that we will live together as one community. By burying black cat, it says. So, have come this far, science and technology or the economic development of our country has made us more comfortable, more connected, but we still lack the feeling of being oneness. Maybe we are always looking for a comfort zone and the self-interest. And it's a good start again. And with all the love from our Zeliangrong brothers and sisters and all over the country or even abroad, our dream of living together as one under one administrative unit may be fulfilled by God's grace. The show must go on. Thank you.